and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about black holes and a recent discovery that has scientists excited. Black holes are some of the most mysterious and fascinating objects in the universe, and we're going to explore what they are, how they form, and the latest findings about them. Black holes are regions in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They form when a massive star collapses under its own gravity, creating a point of infinite density known as a singularity. The boundary around a black hole from which nothing can escape is called the event horizon. Black holes are difficult to detect directly as they don't emit light or any other electromagnetic radiation. Instead, scientists use indirect methods to detect them. One such method is called interferometry, which involves using a team of telescopes working together to create a virtual telescope with a resolution far greater than any single telescope could achieve on its own. The Event Horizon Telescope, EHT, is a network of telescopes that work together to create a virtual telescope with a resolution equivalent to a single telescope the size of Earth. In 2019, the EHT captured the first ever image of a black hole, located at the center of the galaxy M87. Recently, a team of researchers announced the discovery of a black hole at the edge of our solar system. This black hole is about 1,000 times the mass of our Sun and is located in the constellation of Taurus. This discovery has scientists excited because it provides new insights into the formation and evolution of black holes. Black holes continue to be a source of fascination and mystery in the world of astronomy. With new discoveries and advancements in technology, we're constantly learning more about these enigmatic objects. Thank you for watching, and we hope you've enjoyed this exploration of black holes and their latest discoveries.